absolutely freezing. I was sleeping in the bivy sack, and if you don't know what that is a bivy sack. Just freezing, man. The sheriffs came by like early last night, around like 11:30, 12, because there was suspicious behavior by the library. And then when they were coming, as soon as I was getting out of the bivy sack, I got a massive nosebleed. So it was just chaotic, just bleeding, talking to the sheriff, freezing, just. It's 4:30 now, pitch black. I just can't stand anymore. I want to put on my headlamp, turn on all my lights, and try and make my way start. I just cannot stand still anymore. See you along the way. So I was outside the fire station, packing on my bike, just freezing, and the super nice guy named Ken offered to let me into the fire station to warm up while I pack up my bike and offer me a shower. I'm not going to take the shower because gotta get going here, but that's real nice of him. Packing up the bike here, got the old fire engines. Perfect. Off the Green River today, it's called. The bye's working out upstairs. Just giving her. Off we go. Out here riding early. The sunrise. That is not so bad at all. Just finished another 40-kilometer climb. We got like a 1 minute downhill, then it goes up again and then flat for a bit. And we don't hit downhill until like 80 kilometers into the ride, so not even halfway to the real downhill, but we'll get there. I've grown very fond of these signs. Means a downhill is on the way. There she lies. About 12K at 6%, so gonna have my snack and then we'll send her. The cool looking mountains. Probably the biggest downhill I've had so far, 11 kilometers. Coming out of those bad boys and onward towards Green River. Well, made it to Green River. Apparently Green River is famous for melons or watermelons or something. They have a big thing called Melon Fest on tomorrow. It's like a parade and it's big like fair and all sorts of stuff, but the hotels are 3 times as much, and I just got like a last room in the town I would have lost it if I couldn't get a hotel room here. But 114 on the day, not so bad. It was freezing this morning, so I was in arm warmers, t-shirt, sweatshirt, hoodie, pullover. And for the legs, boxers, long johns, riding shorts, and pants. And as it got hotter, I was just too stubborn to take it off, so did a little heat training today, I guess. It's like 31 and I'm just beating sweat, but we made it here and I'm gonna get some food and check in, so that's it for today. See you tomorrow. Happy talking to you. Keep it not so bad. Bye now.